If you're aiming for the ultimate gaming experience, a powerful desktop PC is still the way to go. With modern graphics cards, advanced cooling systems, and high-end processors, today's gaming desktops are built to handle everything, from fast-paced esports titles to demanding AAA games. Here are 5 of the best gaming PCs you should consider in 2026. 1. HP Omen 35L. Performance meets clean design. The HP Omen 35L is built for gamers who want strong performance wrapped in a sleek, modern setup. It features a spacious 35-liter chassis designed to maximize airflow, helping keep temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions. Inside, the system supports powerful CPUs and modern GPUs capable of handling high-resolution gaming, competitive esports, and graphically demanding AAA titles without breaking a sweat. One of its biggest advantages is its clean design and upgrade-friendly layout. The case includes customizable RGB lighting along with a transparent side panel, letting you showcase your internal hardware. HP has also made upgrades simple, so you can easily swap out components like RAM, storage, or even a graphics card down the line. For gamers looking for a dependable pre-built system that balances performance, cooling, and aesthetics, the Omen 35L is a solid pick. 2. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. Reliable and consistent performance. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i focuses on delivering stable and consistent gaming performance. Lenovo places a strong emphasis on cooling and airflow in its Legion lineup, ensuring that the system maintains smooth frame rates even during extended gaming sessions. This makes it a reliable option for running modern games, while also handling streaming, multitasking, and content creation tasks with ease. The tower design is practical and optimized for efficiency, with smart ventilation that keeps internal components running smoothly. It also comes equipped with fast storage and memory configurations, allowing games to load quickly and perform consistently. If you want a well-balanced gaming PC that delivers dependable performance without unnecessary complexity, the Legion Tower 5i is a great choice. 3. Corsair Vengeance A7500 Premium Powerhouse. The Corsair Vengeance A7500 is built for gamers who want top-tier performance with premium components. Corsair is known for using high-quality hardware, and this system is no exception. It includes powerful GPUs, fast DDR5 memory, and advanced cooling solutions that keep temperatures in check even under heavy workloads. This PC is particularly well-suited for gamers who also create content or stream. Whether you're editing videos, playing at high refresh rates, or multitasking across multiple applications, the Vengeance A7500 handles it all smoothly. It also features Corsair's signature RGB lighting and clean cable management, giving the system a polished and professional look. For those who want both performance and build quality, this is one of the standout options. 4. Alienware Area-51. Extreme performance and bold design. The Alienware Area-51 is designed for serious enthusiasts who want maximum performance and a futuristic aesthetic. Alienware has a reputation for pushing hardware to its limits, and the Area-51 continues that legacy. It supports high-end processors and powerful graphics cards capable of running the latest AAA games at ultra settings. Cooling plays a major role here as well. The case is engineered to maintain strong airflow, helping the system stay stable during long gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Visually, the Area-51 stands out with its bold, distinctive design that instantly elevates any gaming setup. If you're looking for a high-performance desktop with premium styling and extreme power, this is one of the most powerful systems you can get. 5. Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT. Compact yet powerful. The Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT takes a different approach by delivering strong gaming performance in a compact form factor. Unlike traditional large towers, this system packs capable hardware into a much smaller desktop design, making it perfect for gamers with limited space or minimal setups. Despite its size, it can handle many modern games smoothly thanks to its powerful internal components. It's an excellent option for users who want performance without sacrificing desk space. If you're searching for a compact gaming PC that still delivers serious capability, the AtomMan G7 PT proves that you don't need a massive tower to enjoy modern gaming.